Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to learn 100 different vegetable names in English. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato, onion, onion, garlic, garlic, ginger, ginger, carrot, carrot, radish, radish, beetroot, beetroot, sweet potato, sweet potato, turnip, turnip, spinach, spinach, cabbage, cabbage, lettuce, lettuce, mint, mint, coriander leaves, coriander leaves, fenugreek leaves, fenugreek leaves, red spinach, red spinach, amaranth, amaranth, kale, kale, bok choy, bok choy, water spinach, water spinach, mustard greens, mustard greens, curry leaves, curry leaves, purslane, purslane, pumpkin leaves, pumpkin leaves, cauliflower, cauliflower, broccoli, broccoli, drumstick, drumstick, banana flower, banana flower, banana stem, banana stem, bamboo shoot, bamboo shoot, asparagus, asparagus, artichoke, artichoke, kohlrabi, kohlrabi, celery, celery, bottle gourd, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, pointed gourd, pointed gourd, ridge gourd, ridge gourd, snake gourd, snake gourd, ash gourd, ash gourd, spiny gourd, spiny gourd, pumpkin, pumpkin, ivy gourd, ivy gourd, sponge gourd, sponge gourd, zucchini, zucchini, chayote, chayote, brinjal or eggplant, brinjal or eggplant, okra or ladyfinger, okra or ladyfinger, cucumber, cucumber. Green chili, green chili. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Raw banana, raw banana. Raw papaya, raw papaya. Raw jackfruit, raw jackfruit. Raw mango, raw mango. Corn or maize, corn or maize. Green peas, green peas. Green beans, green beans. Long beans, long beans. French beans, French beans. Cluster beans, cluster beans. Chickpeas, chickpeas. Lentils, lentils. Soybeans, soybeans. Kidney beans, kidney beans. Broad beans, broad beans. Yam, yam. Elephant foot yam, elephant foot yam. Taro root, taro root. Colocasia stem, colocasia stem. Turmeric, turmeric. Water chestnut, water chestnut. Mushroom, mushroom. Arrowroot, arrowroot. Spring onion, spring onion. Leek, leek. Parsley, parsley. Basil, basil. Rosemary, rosemary. Thyme, thyme. Oregano, oregano. Dill, dill. Fennel, fennel. Arugula, arugula. Rhubarb, rhubarb. Swiss chard, Swiss chard. Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts. Radicchio, radicchio. Endive, endive. Parsnip, parsnip. Celeriac, celeriac. Swede, swede. Horseradish, horseradish. Lemongrass, lemongrass. Garlic chives, garlic chives. Jackfruit seeds, jackfruit seeds. Olive, olive. Cape gooseberry, Cape gooseberry. Dragon beans, dragon beans. Thanks for watching our 100 vegetable names lesson. We hope you enjoyed this animation video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to watch this video again to master the pronunciations. Please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, happy learning!